It is very difficult to teach, we all know. But creating positive minds at schools? That's a difficult question for all of us. Let's try to find the answer today. Your first question for every day must be, what do I need today if I want to change minds? First, you need to be positive. So, think like a problem. But you will need to be creative at your class. And of course, you will need to trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. And finally, follow your dreams and make them come true. Nothing is impossible today. But what if I'm a realistic person? Well, I may say that it could happen. Or if I'm a negative person, then I may say that it would never happen. But no, this is not my case. I say it will happen. When I teach engineering, I teach with passion, trying to help my community with the help of my students, but in a different way. I think green, and if you want, you may use solar, wind energy, and much more. And of course, why not building medical applications today? My engineering students' projects are based on values formations. Robotics and bioengineering are based on ethical foundations. Finally, I will try to give an answer to this difficult question, how to teach today. Well, I learned that we need to make learning relevant, teach positive actions, instill intrinsic motivation, and always be positive. And one more thing, think that you are a student and they are our teachers every day.